Hi, it's Michael here with postural exercise number 9, wall sit. It's the final one. Make sure you've done 1 through 8 in the right sequence and order. Okay, and now we're doing number 9 called the wall sit. You're going to start off 30 seconds one time per day, and you can go up to 1.5 minutes over a few weeks. Build up to that time. Okay, start with your feet pointed straight ahead. Walk your feet out. So you're going to slide down the wall halfway to 3/4, depending on how your knees feel. If it hurts your knees, don't go so far down. You can go a few inches down the wall. Okay, you're going to make sure your feet are directly underneath your knees, so bring your feet closer. Okay, hip width apart, so they're about 4 inches apart, not too wide. All the pressure should be on your heels, not on your toes. So lift your toes up a little bit. All the pressure should be on your heels. Make sure, though, that your ankles are directly under your knees. So bring your feet a little further out. There you go. Make sure your knees are right over your ankles. And you're going to press your lower back against the wall. This releases that back pain muscle called your psoas. So press your lower back against the wall. All the pressure's on your heels. Make sure that your ankles are directly underneath your knees. This is a great postural exercise that does way more than works your legs. Make sure that your knees are hip width apart. It wakes up all the anti-gravity postural muscles that tend to atrophy and waste away when you sit, so it counteracts sitting. And it's a great exercise to put stability and balance back into your pelvis and back.